Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to be unbagging my September 2019 Ipsy Glam bag. So I just got this in the mail. I'm so excited. Yesterday I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of September and I loved the products that I got in there. Well, actually I haven't tried them out yet, but I'm really excited to try them out. But so if you haven't seen that video of my September Glam Bag Plus box unboxing, I will have that linked down below, so you should definitely check it out. In that video, I did mention that Ipsy said that starting October, they are increasing the price on their monthly Glam Bag subscription. So currently, it's been $10 a month, but starting next month, they're increasing it to $12 a month. But they had the option of an annual subscription, which would be $120. So it stays at $10 a month. But I've been loving getting Ipsy every month, so I just decided to go ahead and I signed up for the annual subscription. So now you know that I'll be doing these Ipsy Glam Bag unbaggings every month for at least until next September, because that's how long I've already committed to paying for it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get to see all those videos. But also in yesterday's video, I talked about how Ipsy has this new subscription that they're starting next month called the Ipsy Ultimate Glam Bag. And that's $50 a month, and it comes with 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe sample size products, which that's 12 products. That's a lot of products. And I wasn't sure if I was going to sign up, so I asked you guys to let me know if you would be interested in seeing that, if you think I should sign up, and if you guys had signed up. And all of the comments convinced me to sign up. So today I also signed up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate subscription, which I'm very excited about to get that next month. But that's a lot of products that I'm going to be getting. I just thought about that because I get 5 in my monthly Ipsy Glam Bag, like I have here, 5 in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, which that is $25 a month, I believe. $20, $25. And then I'll be getting 12 from the Ultimate Glam Bag. So 22 new products a month, but spending $85 a month on that subscription. I really hope that's going to be worth it, but the thing with Ipsy is that unless you did the annual membership like I did, you can cancel any time. So there's no commitment. So say I did the Ultimate for 1 month and decided that it's not worth it, or I have too many products, anything like that, I can just easily stop it. I could put it on hold, start it up again. So I'm glad that Ipsy does that. But so I'm gonna open this up. But so another great thing about Ipsy is that it is a monthly beauty subscription service, but it's customized. So you fill out this pretty in-depth questionnaire about your beauty preferences, and then every time you get products from Ipsy, you go onto the app or the website, you review them, and that feedback also helps curate your bags and your boxes so that they are more specific for you. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I was so excited to get this bag when I saw it on social media, online. It's pink, which I love, but it has these constellations all over it, which I think is so cute. Ooh, and this pretty kind of crystal zipper here. Really nice design. Oh, and one other exciting thing is that starting next month, you'll be able to choose one of your products that you'll get in each of the subscriptions. So I get to choose one in my Glam Bag, one in my Glam Bag Plus, and one in my Glam Bag Ultimate. So 3 products that I know that I'll be getting, but I do love a surprise. So I'm glad that still 4 of the products, or 11 of the Ultimate products, will be a surprise, because I feel like that's what makes these videos so exciting and so fun to watch. Speaking of, let's see what I got. Okay, so I'll take out the card to start. So the theme is Find Your Light. Wow, this also says that Starting next month, you'll be getting $50 or more value in every Glam bag, which that is really great value considering it's $10 or $12 a month. Okay, so I'm just gonna reach in and pull out this first product. Products with pink packaging just always get me. This is the Beauty Crop, which I have not heard of this brand before. It's an eyeshadow in the shade Serene. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right now, but I try out a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel. Those go up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'll be trying out all of my makeup products from this bag in upcoming videos and full dedicated reviews. So also make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you get to see all of those. But so, oh my gosh, this looks like such a pretty shade. Oh my gosh, it swatches even prettier than it looked in the pan there. Ooh, this has like duochrome to it. Wow, that's really nice pigment. I love this color. I feel like this is the perfect fall shade. It has those kind of plums and cranberry tones to it. So pretty. Okay, next, what have we got here? Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. Is that the brand Unicorn? No, LOCK Color is the brand. I have not heard of them. Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. I really love hydrating primers. And I kind of have an obsession with primers. I love to try out primers and I have so many of them and I'm very picky, which makes me so excited to try this. So the next product, ooh, full size Oprah lipstick. You know these are not very cheap. And this is the Oprah Madison Miller Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. What shade is this? Oh My Rai Rai. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting because Madison Miller is a YouTuber who I just started watching. I really love her PR unboxing videos. She posts a lot of those and watching PR videos is one of my guilty pleasures. But this is such an exciting collab. I got the face palette, the blush and highlight palette in my Glam Bag Plus box. So I'm really excited to have another product from the collection. I want to go ahead and swatch this because this looks like a beautiful nude shade that's like perfect to go with any makeup look, day to night. Yeah, really good pigment. These two shades actually look really nice together. Oprah is one of those brands that I always wanted to try out. It was one of those brands that I just would see on social media and I was like, I wish I had those products in my collection. And I never did until I started getting Ipsy. So I got a beautiful Oprah highlighter from Ipsy and it's allowed me to try out Oprah products at a way cheaper price, which I always love. And then next I'm gonna pull out 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Ooh, okay, this is so little but so cute. Oh my gosh, I mean, you only need the tiniest bit for eye gels, but I'm really excited to try this out. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand before. It says it's supposed to brighten, minimize puffiness, and majorly hydrate. Ooh, and it says it helps keep your concealer smooth and crease-free. I definitely struggle with creasing under my concealer, so I'm really excited to use this underneath my concealers. Okay. And then one more product in here, another pink packaging. Oh, these always get me, like I said. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Okay, this is also super tiny. I feel like I got a lot of hydrating products this time around. So it says that you can wear this as a mask that just sits on your face for 10 minutes and then you rinse it off. Or you can wear it all night long and then rinse it off in the morning. But yeah, for an all over the face mask, I feel like I'm gonna be able to get like, honestly, maybe 3 uses out of this, which is kind of a bummer. At least I did get the full size lipstick. But I am really excited to try this out. Glow Recipe is a brand similar to Oprah that I had never tried before Ipsy because I just never... It smells so good. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorite scents ever. It smells like watermelon sherbet, which reminds me I have a watermelon sherbet cake in my freezer that I should just go eat right after this. Oh gosh, that smell distracted me from what I was saying. But yeah, Glow Recipe is one of those brands that I hadn't tried until Ipsy because I just hadn't been able to get myself to spend the money on those products. But I've been able to try them out and it's been so much fun. I have their moisturizer as well. But so those are all of the products that I got. Let me just do a quick recap. So I have the 111 Skin Eye Gel, the Oprah Madison Miller Liquid Lipstick, the Beauty Crop Eyeshadow, Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer, and the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So, as always, these are all products that I am so excited to try out. And let me know in the comments down below what products you got in your September Ipsy Glam bag. And also let me know if you ever have any questions about Ipsy. I feel like at this point I have so much Ipsy knowledge. So put those in the comments down below as well and I will definitely get back to you. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.